So, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you are. Today is Tuesday, I think, and guess what? I give thanks for another day. I hope you guys do the same thing too. And I'm up and about. Camera girl is gone to school. Me just try thing with the camera. I can't know if I thing have to cook, you know. And so me no know nothing about the camera, but me I try, me I learn. So I'm in my bedroom. I'm gonna be making my bed right now. Me go out on the road and all of that, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I wanna go pay my bill. I wanna go pay a bill. I wanna go to get some baking stuff. I want to go also to my P.O. box, and also I want to go to this fabric store to get a piece of fabric to match with another, to make another set of kitchen curtain for my kitchen. But if I get it, hopefully when I get it, I'll show you when I come. So let me hope you all having a blessed day, blessed Tuesday. If you're going to work and you watch this, if you're at work, if you're at home like me and you're going to go up on the road, make sure everything is okay and you be safe and all of that. Just go and jump around now because I want to leave out early because look here, the sun out on the road and the traffic is just crazy. Today is like the 4th, and I don't know if today the 4th or the 5th. Please comment, me not remember. Because it's just mad, it's just crazy out there. So I want to take you all on the road a long time and I carry up on the road with me alone. So I might check in back with you when I'm leaving, or if not, me catch you back on the road. So look a bit, eh? So Paris, at the road me I head for right now, you know. So me have me look sitting on the so me I sit down in my bathroom me there because that's the best they can light it me up so far. So I'm gonna be going out on the road now. I ask for the protection of the sweet Holy Spirit for camera go and carry me back. So if you're going out too, when you're watching this, I hope you'll try to do just that. Right? So I'll take you along with me, and as much as I can show you what is happening, because the whole of the road and dig up. And I'll kind of dust them. But with no makeup and all them something them mama Jamaica this. No don't know if I had a drive when I could have had a milk AC and cool. But I forgot to skip from bus to bus and from taxi to taxi and stuff for my life go right now. But we still give thanks for it, and guess what? Now that's all I road I look for. And if anybody out there look for me, right now if you see me pay my bill and look up my business and come back on my yard. So look here, I'll take you along as much as I can. Some of the places them you're going into to do where you go Nick Snacks, they don't want you to really vlog in there, so you can't go against them rules. So what I can do, I'll do. Me show you what I'm going out there as much as I can. Catch you. Safari, I'm first I could stop this in I'm there. I'm there halfway through. Me now one plaza here we name Central Plaza. All of you remember Spencer's Tailoring? You saw over there pop down? I don't know why I go on to Spencer's Tailoring. Them need for go on with something better than that. There's some in the plaza here, and I want to go right over that place there, Pink's Fabrics. May I go in there, so I don't think I can really vlog inside there, but I am heading over there right now. Make a look piece of fabric, as me that tell you for match. Make one Christmas. Yeah, make Christmas and window curtain for my kitchen. So me I look straight back over in a Premier Plaza right there. So now all you Jamaicans don't know say half a tree me there. See up on half a tree road right there, so I saw the thing is set. Well, it's not really packed now because you know say working session, but 1 and 2 people out and I go on with them something say cross. This is what that one set of plaza across the road. And so as I tell you, I'm going right up by Pink's Fabrics right there. So now, and I go up there, go see if I can find a piece of fabric. If I can, I'll show you some of the little things that are going in there. That's if I can, you know, not sure if I can, eh? Look here, Paris. I just come out of the plaza down there, so we'll go pay my bills and something. I never get for vlog, you know. So you see the amount of car them in the plaza park up and I work in there. Eh? So I just pay my bills them inside this. Not maybe keep saying it's just one bill I paid. So I on my way out. I never get no other time for vlog, so I make 2 stops already. So I just try my best now for go around. Maybe I just make 1 more stop. I want to go down here, so I want to go down and answers. I'm here so them have a sale and the sale are up the 9. But look here. But just go and look. You know the little eye shopping, something. So me I go down there this. Everybody talk about them have sale. They see the sale sign them. See all him in this but him a wave to me if you come. Me not am I right, you know. You know, see him in there. Say my wave to me. But me for come by. So if you have sale enough you beg people. So parry me I go down on the street here, so everybody are not things bad. No sale at all. So they must say according to them, they must say I Black Friday done long time at Christmas. So me I go down on that store here answers themselves nice things, but like them stuff expensive but they have nice things. So I'm going down there now go see if we can get anything. We look reasonable. I want a small change, you know, but not necessarily that I've got to spend it because I'm not really a spender. Means a bills woman and I try to make some, what do you call that word, you know, some sacrifice to some future living, you know. Out on Constant Spring Road, that crossway over Kentucky that? Yeah, Kentucky over this, so you know, seaside. Come about there. Yeah. So me turn in answers yes or no. No, me can't vlog in there. So later on. Okay. So far as now we're not in the store and you know we work there, but I have to look some like a stationery or something. But I don't know. Some like a scratch pad and something. No, your pad where you can, some like a pad where you can leave the notes on. Stick it on the fridge. Something there. But I don't see it young yourself. So I must see like decoration and then something like party stuff and stuff. So I am also looking for some ribbons. I want some pretty bow and something. I want bows to put on top of my cakes when I'm sending them out. I always get it inside here, but it seems to me as if I'm at the wrong aisles. I try for look. I need some inside of Woolworth. I have to treat this like I said. So look here, I'm going to see if I can get the board in. I'm done, I check back with them, yeah? Sorry, I'm on my way right now going home. I'm going to look a shot. It's at the Park Road. I don't know if you can see all the way down a bumper to bumper. You can see over the top this of the crane. The road, they might dig up the road is being dug up and the traffic, and this is like almost lunchtime. I just have to say lunchtime now, so you can imagine little later on down the road how it's there. I'm going home on my way home, and this is the traffic that I'm stuck in going home. Can you imagine if I come up on the road just now? Alright, so the roads stay as I go down. You see the big crane in the road down there, so that's how most of the roads are now. Why I don't know, and then the build up of the traffic. But look here, we catch you back home. Yeah. So Paris, this is a night time now, it's night time. I come home long time ago. Honestly, I came home long time, but I was so tired. So I'm gonna take a little cat nap, a little puss nap. And let me tell you something. I see that little cat nap there, a little puss nap there. When I come back again to talk about the nourishment of the nerves and some other little something, I am going to speak to you again on that cat nap. That cat nap, that little puss nap, where we always push ourselves past, I am going to speak about it, okay? So I'm going to share with you now. Because I came home and I had to do some videos for the cooking channel. So I get my little cat nap and I catch up my body and I'm ready again. So I did not get the piece of material as needed I share with you to make the kitchen curtain. But I got this nice piece of cotton shear. I'm not going to show you everything, I'm just going to show the color. These are my colors, cream, off-white, and all of them color. And I like it, the texture of it, the quality, it's good. What do you think about it? I wanted to do some drapes. What do you think about it? It has like some little matte, you know, matte, you know, we call them something like, yes, it's sort of matte like, that's what we call them when we're working at the cleaners. It has these little things in there. So this is the design of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this for the straight down, and I'm going to get a piece of fabric to make a valance. I can do my drapes, you know. So I probably will do a video for you. I'm not sure if we can get to do it for the holiday. I mean, then at the Christmas card and I'm sitting there and I let them think that to the young people. And what you think about that, Barry? And the young people them fix up them house and dress up. No, we don't, you know, your house not dirty, but the curtain under this, I'm not sure. But I might just do a little video. You'd like to see me do a video? I can do my drapes. So I'm gonna get something now with a cream background, not a little floral, but not too busy. Cause I can't deal with the busyness and the eye, you know. Cause let me tell you something. You see, when the colors too have a lot to do with your eye nerves. You know that? We don't talk about the nerves yet, you know. We don't share and talk about the nerves. So I'm gonna get something a little cool floral with some cream background to make a perfect pair of, with these two curtains, perfect pair, two panels, and the ballads to go with it. So I'm gonna just share with you. So I still have to go look the other piece of fabric, because the one that I wanted wasn't really off-white, you know, it's white, directly white, and I want a piece of gold to trim it. Now I went to get some other cake steams. I have some already, but I went to get some different sizes. I'm still not getting enough. I've got to go back to other places. Now I'm just sharing with you. This is how I would send out my cakes that have been ordered and all of that. So I always like, this is your cake that you order, and on top here, one is attached to here. This is your sample to know what you have inside it. So when your cake come, if you're not ready to eat, and cause once the cake come and it cut, you know, I done enough. So you will have this little sample, a little taste mouth here, to taste what is in your perfect order before. So this is how I go, and this is how I get, and I have some other little butter and shortening and stuff and all of that. So this is it for now, for me and me alone. Camera girl, she just come hold the camera right there, so for me now. So I hope you have liked it, and if you like it, please let me know in the comment section. Or me did the out and about today, me I try do my little thing and all like that. So you know, don't know it go, me I try, me I learn. I don't know so when they cook, me can't cook, me don't know nothing more. So I hope you have liked it, and I hope you have had a blessed day, and I hope you will have a more blessed night and hit the road ready for tomorrow. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Remember, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. It was my pleasure going through today, having you with me. Love you.